In this quick video, I am going to show you how to change date of birth on Upwork. First things first, it's important to know that Upwork doesn't allow you to change your date of birth directly through your account settings. If you believe your date of birth was entered incorrectly or if there's a serious reason to update it, the best way is to contact Upwork Support. To do that, click on the question mark icon at the top right, then select Help Center. Once you are in the Help Center, you will see a Contact Support button. Go ahead and click that. You will then be able to reach out via chat or email to explain the issue. Now here click on Chat with Support. Be sure to mention that you need help changing your date of birth on your account. When you are chatting with a support agent, you may need to provide proof of your correct date of birth. So have a government issued ID like your passport or driver's license. Once you have submitted your request, the support team will review it and let you know if they can help you change your information, and that's all you can do. While Upwork has strict policies on account details, contacting support is the best way to handle this issue if you believe there is an error. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.